guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm continuing from the last video, that was video number 16. So today we are going to learn an introduction to algebra, just basic overview of algebraic concepts. This is a very important lesson in algebra. Now I know that many students struggle with these concepts at first, but don't worry, I believe you will understand it easily with this video tutorial. So before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Okay, let's go to the question. Question is x to the third power times x to the fifth power. So do you know what is it? What is the answer? So remember, when we multiply, we just need to add the exponents. So here we have exponents 3 here and here 5. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. These two, 3 and 5. So the answer is x to the 8th power. Let's understand why we add the exponent. Because x to the third power means 3 times x. 3 times x means like this, x times x times x. Then x to the fifth power. It means 5 times x. X times x times x times x times x times x. So 5 times x. Now, if we count them, we have total 8x. See, if you count count them all together, we have 8x. That is why we got 8 power. So answer is x to the 8th power is correct. Okay, so now let's go to the next question. Next question is x to the 7th power divided by x to the 3rd power. So when we divide, what we do is we subtract the exponents. So here 7 minus 3. 7 from here and minus 3 from here. So what the answer is x to the 4th power, because 7 minus 3 equals 4. So answer is x to the 4th power. Let's prove this. So x to the 7 means 7 times x. X times x times x times x times x times x times x. Over here 7. Then x to the 3rd power means we'll write to that is 3 times x. X times x times x. Over here 3 times. So now we cancel 3x from both top and bottom. See, over here 3x, x, these 3, and down these 3x's. So these 3x's. Now what is remaining? Now there are 4x's left. So the answer is x to the 4th power because we have only 4. That is how you can prove the answer. Okay, let's go for the next question. Next question is x to the 4th power raised to the 7th power. What it is? This time when power is raised to another power. So we multiply the exponent. So over here 4 and here 7. So 4 times 7 is 28. So the answer is x to the 28th power. Let's try a simple one, then we can prove it. Let's try x squared raised to the 3rd power. So over here we multiply the exponents. 2 times 3, this 2 and this 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So the answer is x to the 6th power. Let's prove it that. Now x squared raised to the 3rd power means 3 times x squared. Let's write x squared 3 times. X squared times x squared times x squared. Like this. Then when we take this x squared, we can write it here because each x squared is x times x. So we'll write it this x squared as a x times x. Then we'll write this other one times x. Then the third, this x squared, we'll write it x times x. We write 3 times x's. So that's how many x's are there? That is 6 x's. Is x to the 6th power. That is how we got x to the 6th power. So, okay, let's go to the next question. Next question is x to the 3rd power divided by x to the 7th power. Now, subtract the exponent. So, 3, this 3 and over here 7. So, 3 minus 7, what we get equal is negative 4. So, the answer is x to the negative 4th power. X to the negative 4th power. But in algebra, we usually write the answer with positive exponents only. So, when an exponent is negative, it means we move into the denominator and the exponents become positive like this. Okay, x to the negative 4th power, it's equal, because over here we cannot see, but there is a one invisible one. So what we do is we'll bring back the x to the negative 4 to the down, then it will be x to the 4th power, and over here only 1. So answer is So final answer is 1 over x to the 4th power. Okay, let's prove it. Now x to the 3rd power. We can write like this. X times x times x. Okay, then x to the 7th power is 7 times x. It's like this. We'll write it. X times x times x times x times x times x times x. Now cancel these 3 x's from over here and from 3 from here. So now only 4 x's left in the denominator. So we have over here 1 over x to the 4th power. That's how we got the answer. So that's it for today's video. I hope this explanation helped you understand exponent rules in algebra better. If it did, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more math lessons. See you in the next one.